It shouldn't be too loud on its own, so I'm guessing once the test pipe comes in, this thing will be mad loud. Because the test pipe's catless. At least it's packaged nicely, damn. Welds are really nice, damn. I paid 240 bucks, I think.
For 240 bucks, those are clean welds.
Yeah. Decent.
Pipes need to be polished a little bit.
Damn. 4.5 inch, that's what I wanted. Big pipe.
Pipes definitely need to be polished or just cleaned.
Yeah. This is before, with those ugly tips and horrible. Damn, that's horrible. We ran into a little technical difficulty. We can't take off the bolts. I snapped the wrench. So I'm just gonna go to my house. I'm gonna get the cutting disc and just cut them right off. Because it did come with new hardware, new bolts, so we have that. So might as well just cut this thing right off. Yeah. But in the meantime, while we're driving there, I'm gonna give you guys a interior sound of what it sounds like with the stock exhaust.
Oh, that sounds so bad.
Yeah, it sounds horrible. No, there's no need to get on it. It's still gonna sound like ass. Let's see what this car sounds like with no mufflers. Fire it up! Give it a little rev. Damn, I kill it. That sounded pretty good. But with the test pipe, it's gonna be too damn loud, so good thing I got small mufflers.
Into the end of the summer, I probably have my feet up with a drink smoke. We with all my brothers, don't worry about a thing, I got it covered. Laced up, looking like a good day to go and get this cake up. Can only play around for a minute or two. Sit and wait, watch the moon, blow it up.
Test pipe's gonna make it really loud. Sounds really good. And it looks good too. Sounds awesome. Fitment's actually like not bad. It's equal on both sides. As you can see, it's pretty much equal, but it is touching the bumper. After cutting it off with the grinder tool, putting it back on, pretty sure I have a little exhaust because fitment's not really great on the back because my stock pipes are really rusted and this is still new. And right here, like I said, it's touching, but nothing too serious. It kind of sucks because I wanted to show the name on top, so I want them to come out a little bit more. But these are 4.5 inch and they look freaking awesome in the back, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna fire it up again. I'm gonna do the same stuff, see how it sounds on the inside. Nice.
Sounds very good.
Yeah. I still feel like your Mustang is louder.
Because I told you,
Burnt
it
through.
is. No. It is. My, there's nothing limiting. Like, my cats are much smaller.
Alright, we're gonna do a few flybys, so. Damn, that sounds really good. We're still having mufflers on? Damn. Sounds really good. Nice.